Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I like to pick out of the box this Master, what is it, 1921, or it's established date. So it's 100-year edition of the Master Lock. I haven't picked it yet. It's still closed. So it's got a key code of A1699, so I guess it is 4 pins. That's the number is 1921 Delta, and I got it from England, so that's looks guardable. It is pretty heavy, so I will try to pick it out of hand. I'm gonna use this nice pick. I think it's 18 thousandths. I'm going to pin one. Already got a fourth set. So I had to turn off the heating. It's burning my leg. So we got a fourth set out of pin 1. Oh, shit. Let's see if we can find some counter rotation. I'm at 2. I got a little counter. I guess I'm at pin 4 now. Stuck. Three. Nothing going on there. Going back to 1. It's still very stiff, so it's set. Still got the rotation on 2. I didn't set it before, now I did. Now it's very floppy. It's good. Okay, let's go to 3. Do I have? I believe I have counter rotation on 3 now, and we're open. So at 3. Okay, I have to pull it. Looks like. Oh shit. Why isn't this spring loaded or anything like that? I mean, you can see I'm open. Oh, shit. Alright, so we're open. So this is very hard to pull. Sorry, still got a meeting on there. Got a couple of minutes left. So, what? Gotta open up the key here. Ah, shit. Damn it. Almost got it, I believe. Come on. Now we got it. So let's look at the key. So, sorry. That's the key, 4 pin. Strange. Oh, it's really, really hard to pull. Damn it. So yeah, it is a heavy lock. How would I open this one? I really don't want to do that. Well, it is a nice heavy lock. I will enjoy this little keyring for sure. It is not a good lock. It's not a secure lock. I mean, putting on security level number 9, just stupid because it's only 4 pins. How can that be 9? Anyway, this is a Master 1921 Delta, picked for you out of the pack. Now I can trash the pack. It is good for the collection, but it's not worth the money. It's not secure or anything. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.